In this video, I'm going to show you how to do attestation on the AI Code Monitor tool. Now, when members of your organization are on the AI Code Monitor tool, they can manage the GenAI code composition labels displayed on the global view page. They can agree with the GenAI code labels provided by the AICM tool, or they can disagree and relabel it based on their knowledge. Now, this allows you to verify and, if needed, rectify the GenAI code composition labels for your organization. Now, follow these steps to do the attestation. Step one, you are here on the dashboard of the AI Code Monitor tool. Second step, you go to the repository group area and then expand to see the various lists. So I'll go to this AI Code Monitor group and I will click on this particular repository name, which is AI Code Monitor over here, and I'll be taken to the global view page. So over here, I can see the code and the chunk that I want to look at and do the attestation. Now I can do three specific actions. So I'm on this particular file, concat repolis.sh. I can see that the system has labeled this as blended. So first action I can take is I can agree with it and say yes, I agree. So currently it is not attested. So if I click on agree, you will see the label changes that yes, it is attested by Onkar Lautam on this particular date and time. So this is done. You can also edit it, and if you want to change, you can change it back to whatever it was, add a comment and save. I will not do that at the moment. I'll just leave it to yes, I agree that this is blended. Let me go to another file over here, count all repos. Over here, I say that, after looking at the code, I say, no, I don't agree with this, and I click on this cross icon. Over here, I can click on this. I can say, it is not blended. Actually, it is pure AI. I had copy pasted it from machine generated code is here. So I will say this is pure, and I can click on save. Now, adding the comments is totally optional, but it says that it is attested on this date and time. You can also go to the other files as you want to do the attestation. So, for example, if I go over here and it is showing that this particular chunk is not GenAI, and I say yes, I agree with this. This is not GenAI. So again, it will show me the attestation over here. And suppose I go to another file over here and it is showing me blended, and I say no, it is not blended. Actually, I have the option of converting it into not GenAI because this is, as per my knowledge, this is uh, written by a developer, and hence I'm changing it to not GenAI. I'll hit save. It should show me attested right over here. Yes, attested over here, done. And suppose if I go to this particular file and I'm looking at uh, this particular file .py, it shows it is pure. I can agree to it. Yes, it is pure. Gives me the attestation, or I can disagree that this is not pure. I know I had worked on this and it is actually a blended piece of code. I had modified this code, so I can say, it's not pure, it is blended. I hit on save. So these are the options that you get. You can agree, you can disagree, and suppose if you go to a particular file over here and you do not take any action, it stays as not attested.